The mission of Lonely Planet, I think, is to provide reliable travel information to users in the ways that they need it, wherever they need it. Historically, we've been seen as a guidebook publisher, but I think going forward we really need to view ourselves as a travel company, providing travel information and resources and information about travel services and so forth to people, not necessarily in guidebook form, but essentially however they want us to provide it to them, including guidebook form.
Our dream, our bodacious goal, if you will, is to have, of course, the best travel information available in the world, but to have it available on any medium, anywhere, in any format you want it in, and to have it so that the customer can customize it to suit them. And so I mentioned how we're building a big database of everything, and of course one of the main ways that we deliver that information will be books for a long time, and we're still very committed to books, and that's a big part of our future. But increasingly we are providing customized information for our wholesale partners, the Yahoos and AOLs of this world, where they tell us what portion of our content suits their purposes, and we bundle it up for them, and it is served through their site. But in the not-so-distant future, the most exciting way that we hope to deliver travel information is to the end traveler and give them access to our database. And so they come in and they pick where they're going, and they turn on and off various filters to whether they want to stay in fancy accommodation in cheap restaurants, and they're interested in scuba diving and museums, but not monuments, and so forth and so on. And then they can work online at their desk before they go, doing sort of a planning stage, if you will, and they assemble their own customized guidebook that lives on their on their portion of our website, and they come back to it and change it, and they will be able to cut and paste things, not just from Lonely Planet's store of content, but from any source, both from other travelers, but also from the train schedules from the Transport Authority in Europe. And so then they, once they have built this customized collection of travel information, they should be able to carry it with them in whatever format they want. So, of course, when they're on the road, they can stop in a cyber cafe and log into their portion of the website to look at it again. But also, they will be able to download it into a handheld device of some sort. They'll be able to have it printed out and spiral bound and delivered to their home within 48 hours. And that's not too far away. That in July we'll be launching a facility that allows people to build customized guidebooks. That won't have all of our content on there from day one, but that's happening.
Tony and Maureen are the heart of Lonely Planet in terms of philosophy and in terms of vision, and I think their role is best described as remaining the company visionaries, keeping the values of the company integral to all directions that we go in. For example, Lonely Planet has historically been opposed to the commercial side of commercializing our products. Other guidebook publishers put advertisements in the books, list other travel services providers in the backs of the books, and we've never done that. And I think that idea has proven popular with the readers of the books, and it means that we have a higher degree of integrity and loyalty from the readers. So I think things like that, Tony and Maureen are able to maintain those core values, or make sure that those core values are maintained as we go into new directions, which obviously are driven by business needs, bottom line, and so forth.